In this video, we will learn how to curve text in PowerPoint. So this is my PowerPoint and here you can see this is a curved text. So let's see how it's done. Go to the Insert tab in Text Group, click on the Word Art, then select your word and just write the text here. So I simply add here curved text. Okay. Then right click of the mouse and click on the Format Shapes, and here the click on the text option and click on the gradient fill. Okay, then you can change here the color also. Here you can see the color options. So I select here the red color, select here the gradient stop. So I select this first stop, then I select the color, I choose the different, again I select the stop and select the different color, and you can see here the changes on this text. Okay, for red color I select here this color. Okay, same as select the first text, again click on the gradient wheel and you can select here the different color in gradient stops. Okay, see the changes over on the text. Okay, and after that go to the text effect in shape format, click on the transform and click on this curve text follow path. Just click on it, you just drag, you can select the text and increase the font size. Here I just enter here 190 and you can see the curve text is your ready. Okay, if you want to move, just keep cursor on this line and you can easily move anywhere. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.